Hello everyone, welcome to how-to videos for Aprista School Management System. Today we'll be teaching you as a parent or a student how to use the login information provided by the school administration. Now, if you get to this page, you can look up of your school subdomain or a domain name, which is the website name, and you see this extension which is slash site slash user login. When you open it, you see yourself on user login. Now on user login, you'll be provided on your card or sent by your school administration the username and the password. So let's assume the username I was given is student and the password is this. I click on sign in. Okay, so my username is student and my password is let's see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when I this is how to log in. The system will ask me my class, will still pre-select the class, and yeah. So I'll now be logged into the system where I can see different different sub menu different menus for my system. Now I have fees, e-learning, class timetable, lesson plan, syllabus, homework, online exam, apply for leave, download. In that download, we have 4 items there: assignments, study materials, syllabus, other downloads. We have attendance. Here we have the examination, which is your results, and here we have notice board, teachers review. Now, all these can be accessed on the system if I log in. Okay, so that's how to access the system when we use the username and password system. So we have, for instance, if I click on e-learning, I come straight to e-learning courses here. Then if I come here, I come to examination, click on results. I can quickly see my results and make selection of the year I want to check the results. This is when username and password is the access system for your school management system. However, if the username and password is not what was used as in your access system for the term, and pin is what you use for the access system of the term, your school is going to present you a pin each term to access the system. Of course, you have your username and password, so it's your normal login. When you log in username and password, it will still come here to ask you for pin. You understand? It will come here to ask you for pin when you try to access the system. Okay, so let's go to examination, go to results. Okay, so when pin is the access system for your school, you'll be given your username and password which stays with you, but the pin will change every term. The pin changes every term. Now for you to access the system, for instance, if I click on e-learning, you'll be asked to enter pin. Okay, you'll be asked to enter pin. If I click on my examination and want to check my result, you will also have to enter pin. This pin is different from um, this pin is what you have to enter each term. Now let's assume I enter a wrong pin. I click on submit. It will tell me, let's see what it tells us. It will say invalid pin. Okay. So if I now click on the real one that I bought for the term, let me try to access the system. It's open page for me. You understand? So I can then access my system and do everything. So that's it on how students, parents access the system using the